Please like, subscribe, and consider supporting our channel. The full raw, uncensored, no narrations, no captions, and unedited version of this body cam footage can be found in the description below. Please consider joining our Patreon. Subscriptions and donations will be used to acquire more public footage related to law enforcement activities. It really helps us do original full-length reporting like this. Sharing this video serves a compelling public interest because it is intended to illustrate the consequences of shoplifting, trespassing, resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and being under the influence, and discourage others doing so. Defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty. Thank you all for the support.
How you doing? Patrolman Bakley, Evesham, please. See your license, registration, insurance.
Can I help you?
Can I see your license, registration, insurance, please? You're going 53 in a 25-mile-an-hour zone on Greentree Road.
Okay. If you have the wrong person.
Around 1:04 p.m. on May 2, 2021, Patrolman Shane Bakley of the Evesham Township Police Department observed a 2018 BMW speeding 53 mph in a 25 mph zone when driving west on Greentree Road. He proceeded to activate his lights, and the driver, 25-year-old Angelique Pappas, attempted to avoid detection. When she pulled over on a side street, Angelique was in denial that she had been speeding, but provided her documents as requested.
Central 2278 stop. Brandy wine off Greentree, New Jersey, Zulu 79 Kilo Juliet Delta, black BMW, white female moving. And a 25 west on Greentree Road, stationary front radar, that spinning wheel. How you doing? Patrolman Bakley, Evesham, please. See your license, registration, insurance.
Can I help you?
Can I see your license, registration, insurance, please? You're going 53 in a 25-mile-an-hour zone on Greentree Road.
Okay. If you have the wrong person.
Alright, you can take that back. Just stay in the car. I'll be with you in a few minutes.
Patrolman Bakley subsequently cited Angelique for speeding 53 mph in a 25 mph zone, and Angelique assured him that she would contest the citation in court. After he returned to his patrol car, he radioed to inform dispatch that he was ending contact, but informed them Angelique had attempted to evade his patrol car earlier.
25-year-old female. Plate expires on July 1st, 2021. Vehicle make is BMW.
Alright, so you're issued a summons for speeding. If you have any questions about it, just call the number at the top. That's the court clerk's office, alright?
Well, I don't understand. You're pulling me over and I'm in a residential area.
Yeah, you're going over double the speed limit.
No, I was not.
Well,
That's okay. I'm going to take it up in court. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, just call the number,
no
tell them
worries.
you want to plead not guilty, and they'll set you up with a court date.
Don't worry about it, hon. Don't worry about
All
it.
right.
You have a great Sunday.
Be
Okay?
careful driving. Take care. She just called me a effing asshole and then drove off. Central 2278.
2278.
I'll be clear.
This traffic stop occurred on May 2, 2021, following another traffic stop in Evesham on January 23, 2021. After that stop, Angelique was allowed to drive away with 2 traffic citations for speeding and traffic on marked lanes after denying being under the influence of alcohol. However, Angelique would later be arrested for 2 separate DWIs. Those DWI arrests occurred on June 19, 2021 in Margate, New Jersey, and August 7, 2022 in Evesham Township, New Jersey. This raises an important question. How many times did Angelique get away with driving drunk before she eventually got caught?
Issued, white female. She might have turned down here to actually try to avoid me because she just turned around and went back out.
Dispatch has been updated.
So it doesn't look like there was any reason for her to come down the street in the first place.
Central 2218. 2218.
She made a quick turn and then just pulled over in front of the house that she never went up to, and then she just pulled away and turned around and went back out. So looks like she was trying to avoid being detected. End of contact.